lovers. Merry Christmas. As you know, last time, we know it now. Not Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, you filthy animal. If you never watched Home Alone, that's from that movie. Go watch it. Don't watch the third one. The third one sucks. Okay, so, as you know, maybe, I don't know how much days it was ago, but, I got, wait, why did I cut? I did a video about me solving my 6 Rubik's Cubes. For Christmas, I got 6 more, but only 3 of them I can solve. Now I got 9 Rubik's Cubes to solve. Those are called this. What the hell this is? If you know what the heck this is, just tell me, please. What the heck? Scoop. Wait, what? Scoop. There's scoop. 3x3. No, just 3x3. Pyramid cube is the most easiest cube in the world. Maybe even easier than a 1x1. Okay, it's a very hard one. Mirror blocks or mirror cube. This is another hard one. 4x4 pyramids, but they're all scrambled. There's the normal pyramids, the normal 2x2, and then the 2x2 pyramorphics. I'm gonna be scrambling them all. But first, if you're a puppy lover, I need to show you 2 cute things. A whole bunch of cute things. Here's the first one. Look at all these cute pictures about doggies. I got 2 calendars of puppies that I got from Santa for 2022. Oh wait, I'm probably gonna edit this video today to YouTube. So, happy New Year's Eve. That is today. Happy New Year's Eve. So, then this. Then this. Then I got a big one. Oh my God. Short play. I got these puppies. Oh, you this one. This one's my favorite. I love you. Staring contest. I couldn't blink, promise. Look at blink. Okay. Okay, what am I doing? Okay, let's solve the Rubik's Cubes. Need to turn the camera. Well, iPad. Whatever. Okay. This is the whole video. I hope you enjoyed it. Okay, so now I'm going to solve the Rubik's Cube. That's the goal. I'm going to start. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, go. No. Need to get that in there, then get that in there. No. Yes. There. Let's look. Yeah, I don't know. What? No, we don't talk about. No. I was singing in canto. We don't talk about chickens. Yes, we do. Talk about chickens all we want. Okay, now I have to sing it. I have to sing it. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, lay up my homie. Chicken wing, hot dog and bologna, chicken and macaroni, lay up my homie. Already got it the shape, but I feel like I know this is great. I feel like I don't have to do anything. 1, 2, 3, stew. What the? Okay, I just did this. 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is gonna be hard. It's a very hard cube, as some of you might know. Nail box is hard. Just it sucks. Sucks. I can't get the cross. If I get this cross in a couple of seconds, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm getting up. Die. I'm gonna. Okay. Chicken wing. Okay, I don't know why I'm singing. That song is stuck in my head. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Chicken wing, oh yeah, chicken wings everywhere, chicken wings everywhere, chicken wings everywhere. Yeah, this song is not made up by someone. It's made up. Well, it is made up by someone. Made up by me. I'm not someone. Why this cross? So hard. Cross is the hardest step. Dang. Like, just like a 3x3. Just solve it. Solve it. It's so hard to get cross. Dang, I was this close to the cross. Can't find the last piece to the cross. Let's see, look, I got the first part. Cross, the first 3 pieces, 4 pieces, including the center. So I just need what? You know what? What's the point of living if you can't solve it, student? I just need to find that piece. I checked every piece in the Rubik's. Or Rubik. Why don't they name chickens? Why don't they name the Rubik's Cube that chicken is made? Why didn't chickens make Rubik's Cubes? Chickens, why didn't you come up with this idea? Chickens. Okay, I bet you $10,000 this piece will not work. Okay, maybe let's see. I can't get the piece in because it's wrong. Oh, wait a second. Guess what? The piece went in. I finished the cross. I'm not giving you guys $10,000, so I lied. Ha! I'm a liar. Guess I'm a liar. I got the cross. Missy Jesus. You know what? The funny part is actually kind of looks like the cross, like a real cross. It really looks like. Now I need to finish the first layer by pooping. Yeah, poop. Okay, dang. Piece of trash. this piece in. Does it work? Why won't the piece go in the right way? Because I gotta put it in 10,000 times, take it back out, put it in. Okay, thank you. Okay, I got this piece in. What? Wait, that's too tiny for that piece. I'm putting it in the middle layer like this. Oh, what? That's way too tiny again. Put this piece in this way. Thank you. I solved the whole second life. No, I did not. I need these pieces. If you guys don't have a YouTube channel, if you want, I think you should make your own YouTube channel. So it took me, okay, now after about the YouTube channel stuff, it took me a long time to master these. Like, I was never really into Rubik's Cubes, but now I am into Rubik's Cubes, and I was never able to solve any of them, like never. I remember the first cube I've ever solved. The first cube I ever solved was the Pyramids Duo. Yeah, that's what it was. It's the last Rubik's Cube. I just learned that this one yesterday. Okay. I'm gonna need this soon. Okay, the soon. Do the soon. Soon again. Okay, now the cross is right. Okay, now I need to make the corners right. I'm just on the top layer. Top layer is hard, but not too hard. Last step. Yes, finally. Oh. Okay, that was hard. Okay. I'm tired. I'm tired. My back hurts, like from solving all these guys. Maybe this was the best idea to make this in the morning. At 11 o'clock. Okay, it's not really the morning. Wait, also comment down below what that cube is called. Also comment down below what your favorite song is. Mine is For the Glory. The band is All the Good Things. They do have all the good things. For the glory, celebrate with the city tonight. Hear the hometown cheer, the ultimate high. For the glory, bright, bright. Oh, dang. I got this case again. than I thought. Need a blue and green case. Okay, it's the last step. So that needs to go there. So we're going to put it back. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm almost done now. I know this has been a while. 200 scoops here, the mirror blocks, and 4x4 pyramids. Something wrong with what I'm doing? That's why. That's why. Dang it. Okay, last cube. I did that way. Fishy, fishy. Yes, yes. Finally! Oh, my back is killing me. I solved album. So guys, I gotta say goodbye. I know it sucks. So see you guys. See you in the next video. Bye. Wait. Make sure to like, subscribe to the video if you subscribe to my channel. I want to hit 2,000. I want to hit 1,500 subscribers soon. So I'm at 1,200 something. I said soap. So subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe to my channel already, it will subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get a ring ding on the iPad when I make a new video. And like the video. Wait, last thing. One last thing. Oh, if you don't have a Rubik's cube, if you want to buy a Rubik's cube at 3x3, I don't recommend you using the Rubik's brand. I recommend you using the GAN brand. I asked for a GAN one of these for Christmas, GAN 11M Pro, but didn't get it. So, bye guys.